Well, everyone, iOS 18.3.2 has just officially came out, so let's go and take a look at it on the iPhone 16 and just in general on most iPhones out there. Now, this update did bring one really important thing to the table. On this update size, though, it was about 704.6 megabytes. So definitely not like the smallest size ever, but I think that was coming from iOS 18.3, so it's not going to be this big. Just kind of keep that in mind. Now, looking through at what this update basically brought, it basically brought a specific security fix, which is actually pretty important. Now, this security fix is basically focused in also this particular website or this particular update came out for the iPad as well. So kind of keep that in mind. It fixed an issue within WebKit. So if you're going through and if basically there was a maliciously crafted web content that was able to be broken out of Web Content Sandbox, something like that, so it looks like that's been addressed and fixed within this update too. So that also is a very important thing and a really important update that kind of came out within this update too. And that's kind of it. It looks like it was blocked in iOS 17.2, but it's been exploited a couple of different times. So that's also kind of been fixed there as well. So it is a really important thing for everyone to kind of go through and kind of update their device so you don't run into this type of problem. Now, on top of that, another issue that Apple could have fixed within this update, and they didn't, is that when you go through and basically update to iOS 18.3.2, Apple Intelligence is re-enabled again. So that means you're going to have to go through and basically distoggle or untoggle Apple Intelligence if you don't want it. So kind of keep that in mind. If you're wanting to go through and keep Apple Intelligence on, then keep it on. But if you're wanting to keep it off, then go ahead and toggle it off. Other than that, though, that's kind of the main updates here. Nothing else super crazy. I'm sure iOS 18.4 is going to come out sooner rather than later. But that's basically all you need to do and all you need to know within iOS 18.3.2. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.